Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Here for it. We're only here for the non-state actors doing whatever they've done. So why?
Kublai shibuni phibaro gini gilongi khubor bam dagasni. Ka High Court of Meghalaya Bar Association baka Shillong Bar Association hakasri balang kilayang scam ka jingnawa ban wengyu Amit Kumar na kakam Advocate General ka Meghalaya. Kila kantai dru iki khubor ki bala ong bala pensapryang bakla halor ka daw bigla shimye gani karai. Habakranch kilat pathai kubor secretary ka Shillong Bar Association uti El Jirwa baru advocate Kishir Katam kila ong bakini ki artli ki Bar Association kila pediang ki rai hadin kila bisharnya ya ki jingjia ki bede ka jingkno bala thombor yo wi nong inside an badi ki jing bishar ki babut Meghalaya High Court kila pensyai ki association kim shem la persha ya ukuma namar bo ulami khmat ne rab ban yasat na ka benta unong yasat an obasha kno don kti ha ka kambamman kila ong baman na ubri ubasya kno udon ni kahok banyo nong yasad an bat bansya bishar kat kum kalenti jong ka an kini ki association kila penram jurya baro ki jat kamle be ijat ne pendik iki kanthei kila ban juru badai ban penne e ka jingshan ka buram bat ka kardan jong ki kanthei nong yasad an bat ki kanthei ki badang pendmet ya ka kam an ha ka ju kapor kila ong bakari ka kamram jong ki nong yasad an ban yada bat penne e ka jing sunshar jong ka an kimla ban karshani ki ru shiment ne ki kinhun bamde ki bor sarkar bakin shimi ka an halaki jongki kti karkum ka jinga thu jongki nong mi khmat kane ka jinga ka jiak lami hadin balak kenno ba we nong insat an ula sha thombor bar sha elam sha thanat ha ka kenhun ki briu ki bar association klapan paw bai kanu gunu ka jing kenno par sha yu nong insat an dei ban to kit ki bor ki bri khmi bat ban rai kat kum ka an kila kenno bakatu kat ne ki jingkran balapan paw hadin Da'u Advocate General kilapin i kumbaki bar association kim shem lala ban yadai ki kanthei ki betre ha poka kaman da ka babatai ba ki ni ki jingtran kim na nongrim bar kilapin sniu ka kerteng bar ka buram jong ki association kilapin shai bade ki ni ka daw ka bla pelong yi ki ban shem rai per sha ya ukumar om namar bolami ban yasan na ka benta unu ubri ubisha kinno ki association kilapin tip ba kilap ha ki copy jong ki rai sha umentri rang ba ka jila konrad ki sangma bar kantui ka sarkar ban shem ka sinjam ka ba appropriate kila kantai dru ike jing kno baka rai jinggi ka don jingya de ka san prathai ne baka thamu ban tuklar ye ki jing bishar ki blang ya tha ka yeng bishar hashwa ka Supreme Court Bar Association kala kantu gini ki artli ki Bar Association ka Meghalaya ban bishar biang bar ban wengno ye ka rai prasha ye ukumar kala pan pau baki jing pran jing ukumar ha High Court ke de baka jing don kam ban yada ya ka jing shlan bar ka buram jing ki kanthai nong insad an bar ki law intern wala kata kini ki Bar Association ka Meghalaya kiling yang scam halaga jong ka rai bar kantui kila pathai ko bor ban pan pau hok bar klem pan bakla ya kanong rim jongki karkum ka article shis pa anup san iwe jong ka ridi sanchar kuri India de ulat ubathung ya Advocate General jong ka jilla ka article shis pa anup san lai ka grand shai bo Advocate General unbat ya ka kam kar baudang yo ya ka jing shania jong lan Namar kata ka Bar Association kalaban pediangi ka rai berkentu ban weng yu Advocate General Henry Kamdon ya ka borkat kum ka riti sensyar ban weng hi ya una kate ka kam.
Women are not safe. Numerous complaints have been received. So what we decided was we asked our female members, do one thing. You call for a meeting of all the ladies, whoever is present over there. You ask them if any such thing has happened. You immediately let us know. Whatever action we have to take, we take action. So then my friend over here, she was a part of the group that called for a meeting. Immediately a meeting was called and then she will brief you more about it.
Who is a century years old bar. You can see it's a mother bar of all the bar in the state. Because usually the practice is, which is happening today, that before any lawyer hailing from different districts of the state, before they go and practice in their own district, usually they practice in the Shillong Bar or the High Court Bar. So that's why this clarification from our side at this juncture, we felt it's very much vital. Because why a wrong narrative has been spread, like my brother here mentioned, have elaborated nicely. And so that's why we have come here to set the narrative straight. We, the Shillong Bar Association, or the bar in Meghalaya, we are not a bar who will let these type of activities slide. And so to say that a narration has been created that we try to shield someone who is in power, who have a stature. So through your platform now, we want you to address all these, to bring all these that we have stated before you, so that at least people, not only the local, but at least someone from outside, because we have been receiving calls even from outside the state, from our colleagues all over the country, getting all the wrong ideas about our associations here. So with these,
whatever resolutions we have taken. We gave a very befitting reply to the Supreme Court Bar Association also, that we are not under you in any way and you cannot question our independence. Now members are even more angry after receiving the resolution, because we know that it is him, at his behest, Mr. Amit Kumar behest, Supreme Court Bar Association has issued that resolution, thinking that in Meghalaya, in a small high court, the moment we see a resolution of Supreme Court, we will withdraw everything. We have given a very, very befitting reply. We'll share a copy with all of you, the reply which has been jointly sent by both the bar associations to the Supreme Court Bar Association, stating that do not interfere in our affairs and don't try to bully us. We are not going to listen to you.
the demand was very clear. We have highlighted the kind of nullifying statement which Shri Amit Kumar made before the courtroom without having any substance. Like my brother here categorically mentioned in his briefing earlier, that we have never received any such complaint from any members complaining of such act of sexual harassment. So personally, we the bar, collectively, we have decided that such type of statement, reckless statement, it is affecting the reputation of the bar. So that's why in our presentation, issue number 1 is with regard to the kind of reckless statement which we have made, because there we feel that being someone from outside, you don't think about our sentiment, just to save your own skin when the state is being pressured by the court with questions, uncomfortable questions as to why there was an inaction by the state agencies. So it is so easy to cast such type of vilifying statement. We the bar feels, because you are not one of us. So that sentiment of the bar was really hurt when this matter was discussed in the general body meeting. So that's why it was there as the point number 1 in the representation. And the point number 2 in the representation was with regard to his misusing the office, because why in the discussion, again, this is all, there is nothing personal, nothing vindictive from our side. It is all a collective decision where the members came in together collectively, shared their experience, and there in the house, it came to know that there are a lot of appointments, past and present, and very recently, just in the month of July, there's another appointment where he appointed one of his junior from Delhi to be a special prosecutor here in Meghalaya. So we are questioning that. Point number 2 is questioning how Mr. Amit Kumar is using the office of an Advocate General, being the office of the highest officer in the state, not for the benefit of our people. We have a lot of young lawyers, efficient lawyers, seniors, who are capable enough. Why we have to bring in from outside? So the bar collectively, we feel that we have lost the confidence in Shri Amit Kumar to be in the position of the highest officer in the state from the legal fraternity, and that's why we have made the demand now. The ultimate demand is now to remove him, because we have lost the confidence. So representation has been filed, but we have not received any formal complaint from this young one.
So is that an ultimate?
Whatever future course of action, time will tell. Like I said, Monday we are having another joint general body meeting where because we have given the government CM in our representation, we have clearly mentioned that 1 week's time we are giving for you to respond. So since there is no response and the time has expired last Friday, so now we are going again to have another general body meeting, because we few people from the office office bearer of our respective association cannot decide. This is an issue affecting the whole bar as a whole. So any decision, whether we take a U-turn from here or we march forward, it is a collective decision to be decided by the house, by the general body. That whatever information we receive, no matter how legit it is, but we need to have some documents in hand. So that's why, like what my brother had earlier mentioned, we had filed an RTI. So we are waiting the response on the RTI. The news is very much clear. There is no doubt that whatever information or whatever information that was shared in the general body meeting, that it will not be as it is, but so that we can take it further, even go to the court to address this issue. So we had filed an RTI. So we are waiting for the report.
So